Hello everybody, my name is Halo. Welcome to this video series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this video we're going to be solving problem 199A, which is called Hexadecimal's theorem. This actually is a very tricky but very easy problem. The solution is so simple that it's funny. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to be solving this problem. Okay, so this problem says that recently a chaotic virus hexadecimal advanced a new theorem which will shake the universe. She thinks that each Fibonacci number can be represented as sum of three not necessary different Fibonacci numbers. This value right here, not necessary different Fibonacci numbers. Keep that in mind. Also, each Fibonacci number can be represented as a sum of three not different Fibonacci number, not necessarily different. Okay. Now, I want you to ingrain this particular statement into your brain. Now, they've given so much confusion for us now. Let us remember how Fibonacci numbers are calculated. F of 0 is 0, f of 1 is 1. Next numbers are given by f of I is equal to that particular two elements before it. So, the numbers will look like something 0, 1. Then 1 plus 0, that will give you 1. 1 plus 1, that will give you 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 3 plus 2 will give you 5, and so on and so forth. You haven't run away from the PC in fear. You have to help the virus. Your task is to divide the given Fibonacci number n by three not necessary different Fibonacci numbers. Okay, or say that it's impossible. Okay, the input says that yeah, this is what the input is. They'll give you the number, and then you have to represent that number into three not necessarily different Fibonacci numbers. They've given you an output here. Okay, the 3 is represented by 1 plus 1 plus 1, and 1 is also a Fibonacci number. Okay, very good. But they have completely misguided you with these two inputs. That is why this question becomes tricky. They have told you here, if there are multiple answers, print any of them. And they have a very 10 power 9, that is the input size. So they want you only one answer. There is only one optimized answer. There is no multiple answers. What is that optimized answer? They want you to know. Okay, so let us solve this problem. And Fibonacci numbers again, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, ... and any number n will be in this particular case. Why? Because n is also a Fibonacci number, that they are telling here in the first line and in the second line also. So n is already there in this list. That means out of the three numbers, n can be one number. Yes, it can. Okay, so what x plus y plus n is going to give you n? What will x and y be? 0, 0. Are zeros also Fibonacci numbers? Yes, they are. Can they repeat? Yes, they can, because they're telling not so necessary Fibonacci, different Fibonacci numbers. So any number n can be represented as 0, 0, n. Oh ho, that's it. By giving 2, 3, 8 or 1, 1, 1, they are completely confusing you. The answer here is nothing but 0, 0, n for any number. This will give you a solution in O of 1 time. You can execute whatever number of n you want. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Let us just go ahead and see how we can code this. If you can, I mean, there's only 2 lines. I recommend you to code this for yourself. If not, stick around for the code. Let's do that also. So, n int of input, superb. Now, what do? Print 0, 0, n. Why? Because n is also a Fibonacci number. 0 is also a Fibonacci number. That's it. We can repeat numbers as well. I go run this. It will say the test failed. Here alone. In Codeforces, they'll accept it because Codeforces looks for any possible valid combination. Let me go ahead and prove that also. Let me go and submit this code to you. There's only 2 lines. One of them is also input. But yeah, that's it. You just have to read the question a bit better and try to find out what they are asking. Okay, don't get swayed by these inputs. In a lot of questions, they'll give you inputs to purposely misguide you. And you can see the solution got accepted as well. That's it for this problem. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.